All right, so today I am making some bread just to kind of see if I can and how this kind turns out. So for dry ingredients, we needed 3 cups of flour, 1 3/4 teaspoon of the sea salt, and then a half a teaspoon of yeast. You want to make sure those are mixed together really well, and then you need 1 1/2 cups of warm water. Alright, so you mix it so a ball starts to form and cover it in saran wrap and let it brew for 12 to 18 hours. So while making the bread for Samhain today, I saw you're able to take a portion of exactly what that dough is made from and be able to make sourdough starter from it. So I'm going to try that. Alright, so round 2 for the bread. So I have split it in half here, as well as I'm going to have another series about trying to make sourdough starter from it. So this one we're making with garlic and vegan cheddar. And then this one's going to be a multi-seed. Alright, the bread is kneaded. So this one is our multi-seed bread. I am going to cover the top with oil and then the seeds and oatmeal that are inside. And this one is our garlic cheese, vegan of course. So that's with the cheese and garlic and Italian seasoning kneaded inside. And I have melted butter, and I put some of the garlic juice from my chopped garlic in here, so it's garlic butter, and then sprinkle some cheese on top. There we are, oil, seeds, and oatmeal on top of that one. And then this one is the melted garlic butter cheese, and I put some Italian seasoning on top here too. And now we're going to go and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And then, And then once that beeps, the bread will go in. Make sure the oven is preheated before putting bread in. Bread is super finicky. All right, so when the oven's preheated, you put the bread in for 25 minutes. There they are in all their beautiful, beautiful glory. Ooh, the oven just went off for the bread. Let's check it out. Oh, those look gorgeous. Hold on. Hey, the bread just came out of the oven. It's done. I'm running out of good lighting spots in the kitchen. You see there? That one didn't brown at all. This one browned a little bit. And we're going to take the last of the oil and the garlic butter to pour on top before it cools off.